The Lasallian Immersion and Volunteer Experience program is one of the greatest traditions here at LaSalle University. Each year, anywhere from 100 to 150 students engage in service experiences domestically and abroad. Let's chat a little bit more about this wonderful program. So what is LIVE, or the Lasallian Immersion and Volunteer Experience program? The LIVE program serves as a student alternative break program here on campus. Currently, we have a menu of 10 different programs that serve different domestic and international locations through different social justice issues. We currently leave at 3 different times during the year: winter break, spring break, and summer, just following the end of final exams for the spring semester. There are 3 main components to the LIVE program, the first being education. We pride ourselves on the fact that we make education a really important part of the LIVE program. Our students are not just signing up for these programs and leaving for a week at a time and coming back. We engage in educational conversations that are led by peers through facilitated discussions and conversations that help to enrich the learning that we'll be having once we attend and immerse in these new communities. Service. This component is comprised of doing service here on campus in the Philadelphia community as we prepare to leave to go to service in these communities. Of course, we'll be doing a lot of wonderful service while we're at these sites that we venture to, but it's important to learn about how we can engage in the Philadelphia community as well. And the third and final component is reflection. Reflection provides meaning to the work that we do, and reflection is enriched in so much of the work that we do through weekly meetings while students are at these sites and once they return, and how we are able to enrich the Philadelphia community. Here is the menu of 2021 domestic locations that we currently have. As you can see, they live in January, spring break, which is typically in March, and summer, as I mentioned earlier, in the May timeframe. There are varying different social justice topics that these trips address. As you can see, in January, we have a very unique trip that leaves to go to Miami, Florida, and talks about educational topics surrounding human trafficking. In spring break, we have a much larger menu of trips. One of the really unique ones that I love to highlight is El Trolado. This partners with one of the brothers' schools down in El Paso, Texas, and actually crosses the border into Juarez, Mexico on one of the days. This talks about immigration, a very timely topic, of course, in the United States during this time and frame. Habitat for Humanity, a local nonprofit that we have here in Philadelphia and internationally, is who we partner with down in Winston-Salem about housing insecurity. And Project Appalachia is another wonderful experience that talks about affordable housing and rural poverty down in Harlan, Kentucky, an extremely rural area. Resettlement Mission is a very education-focused trip that works on refugee support down in Clarkson, Georgia, just outside of Atlanta. Our summer 2021 menu is also fairly sizable. One of the really unique trips we have on that is Blackfeet, Montana. This partners with a Christian Brothers school in Browning, Montana, and talks about Native American advocacy. Coastal Development Project works with climate change and environmental racism down in New Orleans, Louisiana. We have another Project Appalachia, as you can see, that actually goes to Johnson City, Tennessee, and partners with an organization that works on affordable housing and rural poverty. And finally, our newest trip that we have available through the LIVE program is Project Homestead, which partners with the LaSalle Educational Center down in Homestead, Florida, working with youth mentoring, education, and immigration. We currently have one program that is going internationally, and that is Project Mapendo, which works with global poverty and education in Nyeri, Kenya. This is a truly immersive experience that lasts for 3 weeks, spanning from May 2021 into June 2021. This is one of our most exciting experiences, and you truly get to become a part of the school that we work with there, St. Mary's, a Christian Brothers school. I know that you have many questions about these programs and are probably extremely interested in learning more, and you most certainly will when you get here in the fall. But if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me now. My name is Connor Webb, and I serve as the Coordinator of Community Service. My email is webc@lasalle.edu, and feel free to call me as well on my office phone at 215-951-1148. We're so excited to see you in the fall, and thanks for stopping by.